Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine from grapes. First, gather about 20 pounds of ripe, healthy grapes, free from mold or damage. Carefully remove all stems and leaves, as these can introduce undesirable bitter notes. Next, gently crush the grapes to release their juice, known as must, without breaking the seeds. Finally, add a small amount of sulfites, typically 1/4 teaspoon per 5 gallons, to protect your must from oxidation and unwanted bacteria. Now it's time for the magic of fermentation. Transfer your prepared must into a clean, sanitized primary fermenter, leaving about 20% headspace. Add your chosen wine yeast, which will convert the grape sugars into alcohol. Maintain a stable temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal yeast activity. Stir the must 2 times a day, pushing down the cap of skins and pulp for about 5 to 7 days. After primary fermentation, it's time for racking. Carefully transfer the wine from the primary fermenter into a clean, sanitized glass carboy, leaving the sediment behind. Attach an airlock to prevent oxygen from entering. This secondary fermentation can last for several weeks. Rack the wine every 2 to 3 months to remove new sediment, ensuring clarity. Age your wine for a minimum of 6 months, or even longer, to allow its flavors to fully develop. Finally, the exciting step of bottling. Ensure all your wine bottles are meticulously sanitized to prevent contamination. Carefully siphon the aged wine from the carboy into your clean bottles, leaving approximately 1 inch of headspace at the top. This space is crucial for proper corking. Firmly insert the corks into the bottles. Store your finished wine bottles on their side in a cool, dark place to keep the corks moist. Now, you can enjoy your homemade wine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.